Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. Got a wonderful military personnel who just bought a Mazda. I only started the car for a few minutes, which is about 2-3 minutes. And as you can see, it is pouring out like somebody's smoking, and it also is doing it from here. Having oil burning is not a bad thing in a car that has 165,000 miles. It does burn oil. All cars burn oil and smoke like this a little bit, but this is really bad. This means the seals in the vehicle is not good at all, and he will be burning oil. And he also used CarFax when he did the pre-purchase inspections. We make these videos, and we did 900 of these videos to help people understand CarFax is only as good as the person who reports it. I popped off his cover, and you can see all the stuff that's all over the place on this car. This car is completely neglected. We're going to see what we could do for him to get the misfire, but we're going to recommend that he trades it in or sells it as soon as he can. We are trying to help the military personnel, and we try to help people with our information. We're people for profit. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.